Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to introduce myself officially as a new YouTuber, just like the title describes, the new YouTuber tag. Yay! Okay, so if you want to know more about me, your favorite girl of course, keep on watching. So I'm going to have my brother read out 10 questions while I answer them and introduce myself officially. So Precious, say hi.
Hello everyone. What's your name? Tell us about yourself generally.
Okay, my name is Egurefa Dorcas Orezi Irogene. I am 24 years old. I'm a graduate of accounting. I live in Abuja, Nigeria, and I'm a professional makeup artist. So the name of my channel is basically my two names. I use my middle name and my surname, so Egurefa Orezi Egurefa. So this channel is all about all things makeup, all things beauty, hair reviews, product reviews, unbiased product review, a lot of fun stuff, so stay tuned.
What inspired you to start this channel?
Okay, basically I've always wanted to be a YouTuber from the first day I watched my first YouTube video. So I created this channel to share my tips and tricks that I've picked up as a makeup artist, to teach and educate people on beauty, and basically that's just it. So I want to inspire upcoming makeup artists. I just want to share my thoughts and my views as well as learn from others too. So it's just basically an exchange of ideas. That is why I created this channel. So yes, I hope you learn, and please subscribe to my channel because this girl is loaded and I'm about to dispose everything in my bag.
Why do you want people to subscribe to your channel? Why would you love people to subscribe to your channel?
Okay, you should subscribe to my channel because I give unfiltered, detailed tutorial. Like I break it down into steps so you can understand. So if you're interested in things beauty, all things makeup, tips and tricks, you need to subscribe to my channel.
Mention 5 persons or things that inspired you the most on starting a YouTube channel. Even those outside your YouTube channel, like those people that have really inspired you so far.
First, I have to appreciate my boss, Ronald VII. He inspired me, like he taught me all the advanced tips and tricks I use now basically. So my number one person is definitely Ronald VII. So the second person is definitely Laifa Beauty. I talk about her a lot. Watched her when she started and she built her way to the stage she is. So the third person, Kelechi Imbemena. Starting a YouTube wouldn't have been possible if I did not learn from her. Thank you very much because you just helped a girl start a YouTube channel official. The fourth person is the Beautician Chick. Then the fifth person is definitely Think Media. Those are the kind of people I really want to, follow their footsteps because they don't keep back, they don't hold back, they keep sharing everything to make the other person better. That is why they inspire me and that is why they are my top 5. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm serious, subscribe.
I see. What is the best thing about YouTube? What is the best thing about YouTube?
Oh wow, yeah, the best thing about YouTube is the fact that you start like from here on YouTube, then you keep building and YouTube exposes you to things that you never knew. It brings out the creative part of you because here on YouTube you are the producer, you are the director, you are the editor, you are everything. You are the host, you are the artist, you are everything. So you are in charge of everything. So it exposes you to more experience, more knowledge, and it makes you realize the inner part of you, the things that you think you could not do. YouTube exposes you to do them. So yes, that is the most creative part of YouTube that I cannot wait to explore because I'm already doing it. I'm already taking the baby steps and hopefully we'll get there.
So now tell us, what do you think is the worst thing about YouTube? What are those things you dislike about YouTube?
The things I dislike about YouTube, number one would be the hate comments. The fact that people will hate you for no reason and get into your comment section, discourage you. So just to inform you before you go down to give me the hate comments, I am all love here. I love you.
So if you have the opportunity right now to collab with anyone on YouTube, who would that person be?
As far as YouTube is concerned, it is Lifa Beauty all the way. Okay, that's all. I hope you had fun gisting with me. These are the basic things I thought you need to know about me as well as my channel. You can follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook. Okay, ask your questions. This channel is for me, this channel is for you as well. So ask your questions, request for any look you want me to create, and I will be more than willing to create them for you all. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, this is the right time for you to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up.